The topic is convert the following finite automata to a regular expression. In the last class we saw about regular expression. So when a language is generated by a particular finite automata, then the language is easily described by a simple expression. That expression is known as a regular expression. So by using three methods, we can easily convert the given finite automata into a regular expression. Please refer to the last lecture for that three methods. The first method is RIJK formula, and also in the last lecture we saw about the theorem of RIJK formula. Kindly refer that. And the second method is state elimination technique, and the third method is Auden's theorem. So now we will see about the RIJK formula. So this is the formula. Already we know RIJK power k is equal to Rij power k minus 1. In the right hand side all the powers are k minus 1 only. So this is Ij power k minus 1, this is Ik, this is Kk, this is Kj, which means here I is the intermediate state and J is the final state. K is the number of states or intermediate states. So initially the path goes from initial state to final state. Here the path goes from the initial state to the intermediate state, and here the path goes from the intermediate state to the same state, which means the self state, and finally the intermediate state go to the final state. For that we are substituting one value from the whole intermediate value or the number of state which is given in the finite automata. So for this problem, this is the given finite automata. So we can easily convert the given finite automata into a regular expression by using this RIJK formula. So now we are going to find the RIJK for all the values I, J and K. Initially we take let k is equal to 0. For the value of 0, which is for the k is the number of nodes or intermediate nodes. So for this k value, we are going to take the value of I and j is, here I value is 1 and j value is 2. So for this we are going to perform 4 combinations. What is that? I is 1, so j is 2. So the first combination is 1 1, which means the path goes from the state 1 to the state 1, self state. Another combination is 1 2, that is the path goes from 1 to 2. Next one, the path goes from 2 to 1. 2 to 1 in the sense the path go to the initial state from the final state, and the last combination is the path goes from 2 to 2, self state. So these are the 4 possible combinations for I and j. We have to find for all these values of I and j for k is equal to 0. So the k is equal to 0 initially வச்சுக்கிறோம். இந்த வேல்யூக்கு I யோட வேல்யூ 1, j யோட வேல்யூ வந்து 2. I ங்கிறது initial state, j into the final state. So the I and j வந்து இந்த மாதிரி 4 combinationsல எழுதிக்கிறோம். 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2. So the 4 possible combinations இந்த R regular expression formula apply பண்றேன். For k வந்து initially 0 னு வேல்யூ வச்சுக்கிறேன். So next என்ன பண்றோம்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா k வேல்யூவை வந்து 1 னு வச்சுக்கணும். k வேல்யூ இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணனும். For the same 4 combinations again regular expression கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Then k யோட வேல்யூ வந்து 2 னு இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். பட் இந்த 4 combinations அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். இதை வச்சுட்டு we can easily find the given finite automata regular expression value. So now we can easily find for this value k is equal to 0. So we can apply these conditions in the given RIJK formula. This formula is very important to solve the given problem. So you have to memorize this formula, but it is very easy to remember. This is Ij, Ik and Kk, Kj. Assume I is the initial state, J is the final state and K is the intermediate state. So this is the initial state, this is the final state, this is the intermediate state. So initially it goes to the, there is 2 paths which may go from I to j. So this is I2j. There is another path which is I2k and k self loop. So kk, then k to j. So kj. In the powers there are k minus 1. Here we indicate star. Star means 0 or more times. That's why this is the self loop. Whenever there is a self loop occur in the finite automata, which is indicated by the star. Star means 0 or more times. So this formula is very important to solve a given particular problem. So you have to memorize this formula. Without this formula, we can't evaluate or find a solution for the given finite automata. So let us find. We have to substitute this value for to this formula. So first of all, R, capital R is the regular expression. So for this condition, R, I values initially for 4 possible combinations. So initially I value is 1 and j value is 1, but k value does not change, it is 0. So we have to find the value for R110. What is the meaning of this R11 of 0 in the sense? The regular expression for the path from the state 1 to 1. This is the meaning of this term. Again I repeat, the regular expression, because R is a regular expression. So the regular expression for the state 1 to another state 1. So here the state 1 go to the self loop state which have the value is 1. So we include that epsilon plus 1, because already we know in epsilon closure method the self loop which may have epsilon as the input, but it does not displayed as explicitly. So I am going to write epsilon plus 1. So next we are going to find the regular expression for the another combination, that is R1 2, but k value does not change, it is 0. So this is the meaning. What is the meaning of this regular expression? The regular expression for the state 1 to the state 2. So the regular expression for 1 to 2 is the input value is 0. So next regular expression value for the third combination 2 and 1, the power value is 0. So 2 to 1. There is no path from the state 2 to 1. So it includes the null state, that is 5. The last combination is R2 to power 0 is equal to. So the state 2 to the self state 2, the value is 0, 1. As I already said, whenever there is the comma symbol present in the input symbol, which have the meaning as the state having either 0 or 1, comma indicate plus, either 0 or 1. So we have to write the expression as 0 plus 1, but it is the self loop state. So I include epsilon with this 0 plus 1. So this is the regular expression value for the all values of I and j with all possible 4 combinations for the single k value. Initially k value is 0. So the power value all having 0 and the I value change having 4 combinations 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2. So we can easily write the regular expressions value from the given finite automata directly. So now then we assume let or consider k is equal to 1. We increase the k value by 1, 0 plus 1. So the k value is 1. So again we have to find all 4 regular expression value for the ij possible combinations with the value of k is equal to 1. So we have to substitute this value to the given Rijk formula. So R, initially we are taking I value is 1, j value is 1. So R11, k value is 1, so power is 1. Right? So next, see this formula Rij. So I value is, here we include I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. I am taking this first combination, right? So I is 1, j is 1. So R11 and power k minus 1. Here k value is 1. So 1 minus 1, the value is 0. So next one is plus and R, I value is 1, k value is 1, k minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So next one RKK. Here k value is 1. So R 1 1 power k minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0 the whole star. So the last one is RKJ. So R k value is 1 and j value is also 1. The power k minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So just we are going to substitute this value from the above expression and we can easily derive the regular expression value for R11 power 1. So R11 power 0 value is already evaluated, that is epsilon plus 1. The same value R110, that is epsilon 1. Epsilon plus 1 the whole star, and the last one is again epsilon plus 1. So we have to simplify. First of all we have to write the value of the plus left hand side value, that is epsilon plus 1. Then we have to simplify, that is in this expression epsilon plus 1 we all know epsilon is nothing, so epsilon plus 1 value is 1, right? And also epsilon plus 1 value is 1 star. Epsilon plus 1 value is 1 because epsilon is nothing, so nothing is added with some particular value which having the result of that particular value. So 1 star and 1. So again I am going to write epsilon plus 1 and plus, here this is the concatenation operator, not the plus operator, this is concatenation. So 1 concatenation 1 star concatenation 1. Actually what is the meaning of 1 star? 1 star include epsilon because it is closure symbol with 0 or more times. So the epsilon 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right? 0 times, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times occurrence of the particular input symbol. So we can simply write it the whole 3 term as 1 star because here 1 occur, here 1 occur, that both 1 will the result of the 1 star. So we simply write it as 1 star for both 3 terms, right? And finally we include, which is also epsilon plus 1 is 1 plus 1 star. Again the same concept, here 1 star includes epsilon 1 11 111. Here another one is the output, here 1 star having the same output 1. So the result is 1 star. So this is the result of R111. The regular expression value of R111 is 1 star. Similarly, we have to find the value for the next possible combination, that is k value does not change. So next R12 power 1, next R21, next R22. Similarly, we have to find the value for the above regular expressions. So now the next regular expression is R12. Here I value is 1 and j value is 2 and k value is 1, right? So this values to be applied in this formula. So we get R12 power 0 because k is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so the all power value is 0, and I value is 1, j value is 2, so 1 2, I value is 1, k value is 1, so 1 1, k value is 1, so 1 1, and k value is 1, j value is 2. So we can easily write this values from the above derived regular expression value. So for R120 the value is 0 and plus R110 the value is epsilon plus 1, and R110 the same value epsilon plus 1 the whole star. R120 the result is 0. So now we can easily simplify. So the same 0 value, and already I said epsilon plus 1 is 1 and epsilon plus 1 is 1 star. Here the result is 0. So the same 1 and 1 concatenation 1 star, the result is 1 star, so 0. Now you can see plus means either this is or either this is. So the both term having 0 value, so we can take the result as 1 star 0 for 0 plus 1 star 0 because 0 is appeared here and also here. So we can commonly take and 1 star 0 as the result of R12 power 1. Next we are having k value is 1 and I value is 2 and j value is 1, because the combination here is 2 1, here 1 2, already 1 1 is completed. So applying in the RIJK formula, R I value is 2, j value is 1, so R12 power 1 is equal to R21 power 0 plus R21 power 0 and R11 power 0 the whole star. R k value is 1 and j value is 1, so the power 0. So we can substitute the value. R210 is already evaluated. The result is null set, plus R210 is null set. R110 is epsilon plus 1 the whole star. R110 is epsilon plus 1. Now we can easily simplify. One formula is there. Whenever the term is multiplied by pi, the result is pi. Whenever the result is added with pi symbol, the result is the remaining except 5. எப்பெல்லாம் 5 கூட எதெல்லாம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுற மாதிரி டேர்ம் வருதோ அப்போது 5 வந்து நீங்கள் ரிசல்ட் அப்படியே எழுதிக்கணும். 5 multiplied by anything is equal to 5. 5 plus anything is equal to anything. இது வந்து இம்பார்ட்டண்ட், இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகத்தில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. 5 கூட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் 5 தான் ரிசல்ட் வரும். 5 கூட எதை ஆட் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அந்த ஆட் பண்ணுற ரிமைனிங் டேர்ம் தான் என்ன வரும் அப்படின்னா ரிசல்ட் வரும். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். இங்கே பை டாட்னு ரிமைனிங் டேர்ம் இருக்குது. ஸோ டிஃபால்ட்டாக த ஹோல் ரிசல்ட் வில் பி the pi. So always pi plus pi is equal to 5. So இந்த term நல்லா ஞாபகத்தில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். பை கூட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் the result is pi. பை கூட எதை ஆட் பண்ணாலும் எதை ஆட் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அந்த ரிசல்ட் தான் ரிமைனிங் வரும். So the last combination is k வந்து same value 1, I value is 2 and j value is also 2. Now the expression is here k value is 1 and I value is 2, j value is 2, the last combination, right? So which is applied in the RIJK formula. So we are getting this equation. So from this equation we are going to substitute that particular value. R22 power 0 is epsilon plus 0 plus 1, so we are writing epsilon plus 0 plus 1 and plus R210 we are getting pi and R110 is epsilon plus 1 the whole star and last one is R120, the result is 0, right? So already I said pi into anything is pi, so the result is pi, and pi plus anything is the same result. Pi into anything is the result is pi, already I said, and pi add with anything is equal to this anything, epsilon plus 0 plus 1. So this is the result of that particular regular expression R22 power 1. So these are the result of the regular expression values for k is equal to 1. Next we are going to consider k value is 2 and the same 4 possible combinations 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 for k value is 2. So next we take k is equal to 2 and assume the value of I is 1 and j value is 1. Next we find for k is equal to 2, change the combination. I value is 1 and j value is 2. Next k is equal to 2, I value is 2, j value is 1. The last k is equal to 2, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. The 4 possible combinations 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 2. We have to find all 4 possible combinations for the values of k is equal to 2. Initially we taking I is 1 and j is 1, substituting these 3 values k is 2, I is 1, j is 1, substituting in RIJK formula, we are getting like this expression. So for this expression we directly substitute the value from the above derived value. For R11 power 1 value is result is 1 star So the result is 1 star, and R12 power 1, here the result is, sorry, R12 power 1, the result is 1 star 0. So 1 star 0, and R22 power 1, the result is epsilon plus 0 plus 1 the whole star. Last one is R21 power 1. R21 power 1, the result is pi. So whatever is multiplied with pi, the answer is pi. So the result is pi, and whatever is added with pi, the result is the something. So the result is 1 star. So the value of R112 is 1 star. Next, for k is equal to 2, change the combinations. I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. Apply these three values in the RIJK formula. We getting the regular expression like this. So we are going to substitute for this value. R12 power 1 is, R12 power 1 value is 1 star 0. So we substitute 1 star 0, and the same value R12 power 1 is 1 star 0. This is R22 power 1 the whole star. So the R22 power 1 value is epsilon plus 0 plus 1. So epsilon plus 0 plus 1 the whole star. Last one is R22 power 1. This is the expression of the same value, epsilon plus 0 plus 1. Now we simplify. The same value 1 star 0 plus, and this 1 star 0. So epsilon plus 0 plus 1, epsilon is nothing. So here the result is 0 plus 1 the whole star, and this may have the result is 0 plus 1 because epsilon is nothing. And again I repeat, 1 star 0 plus 1 star 0. Here 0 plus 1 the whole star and 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 the whole star having the result is 0 plus 1. So we can write the single term 0 plus 1 the whole star for the both term 0 plus 1 the whole star and 0 plus 1. So we can simply write it as 0 plus 1 the whole star. Next, here also plus is the either symbol, which means the regular expressions for either this or either this. So here 1 star 0 is common in both terms. So we can simply write it as 1 star 0 and 0 plus 1 the whole star. Because both having the same result, so we can take it as 1 star 0 and 0 plus 1 the whole star. Next, for the value k is equal to 2 and I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. Change the combination. Here 1, 2 and here 2, 1. We substitute these values in the RHJK formula. We are getting this expression. So substitute R21 power 1 value is R21 power 1 value is pi plus, and R22 power 1 value is epsilon plus 0 plus 1, and same value epsilon plus 0 plus 1 the whole star, and R21 power 1 value is already written pi. So pi plus pi is multiplied with these terms, so the result is pi, and pi is added with pi, so the result is pi. So the last combination is k is equal to 2, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. The combination is 2, 2. So substitute these values in the given regular expression. We are getting this kind of expression, and we substitute the values. R22 power 1 having the value is epsilon plus 0 plus 1. So the same value epsilon plus 0 plus 1. The same value epsilon plus 0 plus 1 the whole star. All four expressions having the same value epsilon plus 0 plus 1. Now we can simplify. This is 0 plus 1 because epsilon is nothing, so 0 plus 1, and this is also the same term 0 plus 1, and this is 0 plus 1 the whole star. This is 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 plus these three terms include in 0 plus 1 the whole star, because 0 plus 1 the whole star includes 0 or more times. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 will already included in this star combination. So we can simply write it as 0 plus 1 the whole star. So the same meaning again repeat. So because here also 0 plus 1 will occur. So for both term we include 0 plus 1 the whole star. So this is the result of R22 and power 2 regular expression value. So now we find the value of Rij power k. So ஏன் இப்போ இந்த வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா இப்போ அடுத்து வந்து ஆக்சுவலாக k0, k1, k2 we find out, right? பட் அடுத்து வந்து k3 நம்ம போகிறது இல்லை. ஏன்னு கேட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா கிவன் ப்ராப்ளமில் இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் எத்தனை இருக்குது, இது ஒரு ஸ்டேட் இது ஒரு ஸ்டேட். ஸோ டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட் இஸ் 2. ஸோ இப்போ k வேல்யூ என்ன வரும் அப்படின்னா 2 வரும். ஸோ அதனால தான் நம்ம k0க்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். அடுத்து k1, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து k2 வரை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். ஸோ ஃபர்தராக k3 வந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க தேவையில்லை. அகைன் ரிப்பீட், நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் இனிஷியலாக ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்தோன்னா நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் எத்தனை இருக்குன்னு நம்ம பார்க்கணும். இங்கே நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் வந்து 1 and 2, ரைட்டா? ஸோ 2 ஸ்டேட்ஸ் இருக்குது. கேயோட வேல்யூ எப்போவுமே எதுலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு 0லேருந்து, இங்கே 1 இருக்குன்றதுனால k1 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. எப்போவுமே கேயோட வேல்யூ 0லேருந்து தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகணும். பட் கேயோட வேல்யூ எதில் எண்ட் ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் தான் டிசைட் பண்ணணும். இங்கே நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் வந்து 2 இருக்குது. ஸோ கேயோட வேல்யூ நான் 0ல் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறேன். அடுத்து கேயோட வேல்யூ 1 வந்து சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறேன். கேயோட வேல்யூ 1 முடிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறமா கேயோட வேல்யூ வந்து என்ன சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா 2ன்னு சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். அடுத்து k3 கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டாம், ஏன்னா இங்கே வந்து நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் வந்து 2 தான் இருக்குது. பட் காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு அதே தான். I வந்து இங்கே 1, J வந்து 2. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காம்பினேஷன் 1, 1, அடுத்து 1, 2, அடுத்த காம்பினேஷன் 2, 2, அடுத்த காம்பினேஷன் வந்து 2. ஸோ 4 காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும். பட் கேயோட வேல்யூ விச் ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் ஒன்லி த நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ் விச் இஸ் கிவன் இன் த கிவன் ஃபைனைட் ஆட்டோமேட்டா ப்ராப்ளம், ரைட்? ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம Rijk ஃபார்முலா ஃபைனல் டேர்ம் வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியும். I வேல்யூ இஸ் 1, ரைட்டா? இனிஷியல் ஸ்டேட் I வேல்யூ இஸ் 1 and J வேல்யூ இஸ் 2. J is the final state and K value is 2. Number of states எத்தனை இருக்கு? 1, 2. Again I repeat, this is the most important thing in Rijk formula. I is a initial state, J is the final state and K is the number of state. So initial state ஓட அந்த state number என்ன initial Q0, Q1 அந்த மாதிரி போடுவோம். So initial state ஓட value வந்து 1, I ஓட value 1. Final state வந்து J அங்கே இருக்கணும், பட் அதோட வேல்யூ வந்து என்னது 2. கேன்றது நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட். எத்தனை ஸ்டேட் இருக்குது? 1, 2. 2 ஸ்டேட்ஸ் இருக்குது, 2 சர்க்கிள் இருக்குல்ல. ஸோ கேயோட வேல்யூ வந்து 2. இப்போ இந்த வேல்யூஸை வந்து அப்படியே என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா Rijk ஃபார்முலாவில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ இங்கே I வந்து 1, J வந்து 2, K வந்து பவர் வேல்யூ இஸ் 2 இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு I வேல்யூ I வேல்யூ வந்து 1, J வேல்யூ வந்து 2, பவர் வந்து K -1, கேயோட வேல்யூ இங்கே 2. ஸோ இங்கே எல்லா பவர்லையும் என்ன தான் இருக்க போகுது? K-1 அப்படின்னா 1 தான் வரும். ப்ளஸ் ஐயோட வேல்யூ வந்து 1, கேயோட வேல்யூ 2, பவர் வந்து 1. அண்ட் கேயோட வேல்யூ 2, 2, 2, பவர் K-1. ஸோ K-1 இஸ் 1 ஸ்டார். லாஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் K வந்து 2, J வந்து 2. ஸோ R22 பவர் 1. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி regular expressions for the given finite automata. Already we find this regular expressions value in the above steps. K is equal to 2, I is equal to 1, J is equal to 2 இருக்கும் போது ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம இந்த வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். The result is 1 star 0 and 0 plus 1 the whole star. So already we derived this regular expression, so we can directly write it from the above solved steps. In case there are no previous steps computed, we can again find out this regular expressions by substituting these regular expressions value from the above steps, right? So this is the regular expression value for the given finite automata. So this is the solution. And one more thing, we can directly write the regular expressions in the problem itself. See this problem here, we can directly write the regular expression because initial state getting 1 is output input, right? So we can write it for 1 star. The input value is 1, and I'm going to write star because it is a self loop, which means 0 or more times. So star. Next value is 0 because it is a concatenation operator. There is no comma between 1 and 0, so there is no plus symbol between 1 star and 0. So it is a concatenation operator. So 1 star, concatenation 0. There is no need to write the concatenation operator. Then the input is here 0 comma 1. Whenever comma is occur, we separate the input symbol by plus symbol. So last one is 0 plus 1, and 0 plus 1 is the self loop state, which means it is a closure, that is star. So this is the regular expressions. We can directly write it from the finite automata. See the result, 1 star 0 and 0 plus 1 the whole star. So we can directly write the regular expressions from the finite automata. We can cross verify, but by using this RIJK formula, we can derive the regular expressions from this finite